You're probably here because your skincare shelf is starting to look like a chemistry lab, and somehow your dark spots are still winning. Yeah, been there. So I went digging, testing, overthinking ingredients like a true skincare nerd, and I landed on this: Eqqualberry Vitamin Illuminating Cream. Let's talk about whether this is actually worth your face, or just another pretty jar. If you're searching for one cream that brightens, hydrates, and doesn't mess up your skin barrier, stay with me till the end, because this one surprised me. First impressions? The texture. This isn't your basic thick cream. It's a capsule cream formula, meaning you feel these tiny moisturizing capsules melt as you spread it. It feels cushiony, not greasy, and it absorbs faster than I expected. No sticky, I regret this feeling after. Now, let's get into why this cream actually works. The star here is acerola water, which naturally contains way more vitamin C than regular citrus. In real use, this helps with dullness. After about 2 weeks, my skin looked more awake, like I actually slept 8 hours, even when I didn't. They also use liposomal vitamin C, which is a big deal because regular vitamin C can be unstable or irritating. Liposomal delivery helps it reach both visible dark spots and the sneaky ones forming underneath. Translation: more even tone over time, less irritation. For hydration, this cream doesn't play around. Hyaluronic acid pulls moisture in, while microceramide capsules lock it there. This combo genuinely helped my skin feel stronger, especially when using actives at night. Less dryness, less redness, fewer "why is my skin mad today" moments. Brightening-wise, it's stacked but balanced. Niacinamide at 5% helps control uneven tone and supports clarity. Tranexamic acid at 3% targets dark spots. Melazero helps slow down excess melanin production. And no, this isn't instant magic, but with consistent use, the tone looks smoother and more even without stressing your skin. Final take: Eqqualberry Vitamin Illuminating Cream feels like an all-in-one option for people who want brighter, hydrated skin without wrecking their barrier. It's calm, effective, and thoughtfully formulated. If you've been searching for a brightening cream that actually respects your skin, this one's worth a serious look. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.